Hello, my name is Pamela Vaughn. I just had an Aquarius Kinetico system put into my home yesterday, and I have to say that the sales fellow that was here did a really good job of explaining the system to me, my options, how it was going to improve my water quality. And yesterday when they came and installed it, the young man that came and did that was very pleasant, very professional. I needed a new water system because I have really bad quality water. It's lots of iron in the water and manganese. And then even though I've had a softener system, 3 different softener systems over the last 15 years, each one of them after a few years failed to keep out the sediment and the iron bacteria and the iron, so all my fixtures were getting stained. So I finally decided to go ahead and put in a Kinetico system, and I've only had it a day, but I can tell you I'm very happy with it. And I'm sure that I will have good service from our local Aquarius dealer.